glad to see you have escaped the forest. Please lift up on your safety harness and boarding guests, please step carefully into the secret forest.
No one's in the front row.
What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Verbolten at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. This is one of the craziest rides at the park. It's not the most thrilling ride at the park, but there's so many elements to it that make it such a fun attraction for me personally. I really do appreciate you guys always watching my videos throughout the entire year of 2023. What a blessing to have you all here. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, Theme Park Groupie.